In this video, we compare DJI Mini 2 SE and Potensic ATOM Drone. By the end of this video, we hope you will know which of these two products suits your needs. The DJI Mini 2 SE is a lightweight and portable drone, making it ideal for travel and outdoor activities, as it weighs less than 249 grams. With the DJI Mini 2 SE, there is no need for FAA registration or remote ID for recreational purposes, thanks to its weight being under 249 grams. The drone offers an extended flight time of up to 31 minutes, and with the additional intelligent flight batteries, you can achieve a total flight time of 93 minutes. The DJI Fly app, which comes with the drone, provides easy-to-use shooting templates for creating professional-level videos that can be shared directly on social media. The DJI Mini 2 SE has an advanced transmission range of up to 10 kilometers, offering enhanced transmission and stronger anti-interference compatibilities compared to Wi-Fi. The drone is beginner-friendly with simplified operations and a return-to-home function for added safety, making it easy to learn and master quickly. The Potensic ATOM Drone is an incredibly lightweight gadget, weighing less than 249 grams, making it easily portable and exempt from FAA or remote ID registration. Equipped with a SONY CMOS sensor and a 12-megapixel camera capable of recording 4K 30 FPS video, the drone ensures high-quality image and video capture. The drone features a fast 1.5H charging time and offers an impressive 96 minutes of flight time with its 3 batteries, ensuring ample time for exploration. The drone boasts an upgraded PixSync 3.0 technology that ensures strong anti-interference compatibilities and a maximum transmission range of up to 6 kilometers. The ATOM drone camera supports visual tracking and creative features like pull-away, rocket, circle, spiral, and boomerang, giving users the freedom to record creative moments. The drone is beginner-friendly, with its enhanced GPS capabilities and return-to-home feature, ensuring steady aerial shots and safe flight. The DJI Mini 2 SE and the Potensic ATOM Drone both come under the lightweight category, weighing less than 249 grams, which exempts them from FAA or remote ID registration, making them travel-friendly. The DJI Mini 2 SE offers a longer flight time of 31 minutes per battery compared to Potensic ATOM Drone's 32 minutes. However, with additional batteries, the ATOM drone can achieve a total flight time of 96 minutes, slightly more than DJI Mini 2 SE's 93 minutes. The DJI Mini 2 SE, with its 10-kilometer max transmission range, outperforms the ATOM drone's 6-kilometer range. However, both drones offer strong anti-interference compatibilities. The ATOM drone's SONY CMOS sensor and 12-megapixel camera, capable of recording 4K 30 FPS video, surpass the DJI Mini 2 SE's camera specifications. Both drones cater to beginners with their easy-to-use features and safety functions, such as return to home. The ATOM drone stands out with its creative features like pull-away, rocket, circle, spiral, and boomerang. Both drones are priced differently, with the DJI Mini 2 SE being more affordable. In conclusion, both drones have their unique strengths and cater to different user preferences.